निकलेगा क्या? क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं सम नंबर 5 पेज नंबर 279 रिवैल्यूएशन कौन हो गया? रिवैल्यूएशन कौन दे दिया? कौन ये सिंपल रिवैल्यूएशन कौन यस है? This question they have asked prepare revaluation account, capital account, current accounts, bank account, balance sheet of the new account. Yes or no? The exam will ask you for journal entries also. The exam will ask you for journal entries also. Journal entries पूछने से क्या है? Revaluation का land and machinery account, this is one entry. Stock account debit to revaluation, this is second entry. Debit to revaluation, this is third entry. Then profit sharing, this is fourth entry. Revaluation account debit to X capital, X current account, Y current account. Okay, they might ask you the journal entries also, huh? Here they have asked you the revaluation account. What entry is the same? Revaluation to asset, particular asset or asset to revaluation. Clear? So we have discussed what is the new capital for 1/5 share. Z is bringing how much? 80,000. Huh? What is the capital of the firm? 80,000 into 5/1. Yes or no? 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs is the whole capital. Yes. Yes. 4 lakhs is the new capital. Now calculate the new profit sharing ratio. What is the new profit sharing ratio? What is the old ratio? 5:3. Sacrificing ratio कितना है? न्यू बोला है क्या? नहीं है. They admit Z with 1/5 of the share. तो 4/5 remaining है. हाँ? तो 4/5 में से सेम 5:3 में देगा, सैक्रिफाइस करेगा। यस, तो 5/8, 4/5 में 3/8। दिस इज whose share? X's share. This is Y's share. Sacrificing share. Yes or no? Nothing is specified. Then sacrifice is the old ratio. Yes. So the old ratio minus sacrificing ratio is the new ratio. Calculate the new ratio. 5/8 minus 4/8. Yes or no? 5 5 cancel. 4/8. You can take 40 also. No issue. Calculate the ratio first. Tell me what is the ratio. Sorry? What is 1/2? Excess share. Excess new share is, earlier old share is 5/8. Now this is the sacrificing share. 5/8 minus 20/40. Check this one. Yes or no? You can take 4/8 also. What is the new share? Sorry? 5/4, 5/8. 8 मतलब इसमें कितना है? 1/8. 1/8 is the new share of x. y में कितना होगा? 3/8 minus 12/40. Yes. Now here take 40. 15 minus 12. Yes. 3/40. 3/40. Now 1/8, 3/40. Take the ratio. 3/40 is to, what is the z share? 1/5. They admit Z with 1/5 share in profits. कितना है? 5:3:2. Clear? So 5:3:2. Total share is how much? 5:3:2 is the new share. Huh? Excess new share 5/10. So out of 4 lakhs, what is the new capital of X? 4 lakhs into 5/10. Clear? So do you have any doubt? Should I explain once again? 4 lakhs is the total capital. Yes? 4 lakhs is the total capital. Now calculate for X. 2 lakhs, okay? Yes, 2 lakhs into 5/10 into 3/10. Clear? Into 2/10 if you take 3/80,000. So what is the new capital of X, Y, Z? 2 lakhs, 1 lakh 20, 80,000. Total is 4 lakhs. Clear? Clear with this point? You are stuck somewhere? कहाँ पे?
ये वो वाई का जो शेयर निकाला है,
हाँ
3/8 था ना उसका पहले शेयर
डिवाइडेड है।
मैंने 3/8 इसको बोल
हाँ
अभी
अभी देखो 4/4 4/5 लेफ्ट है। ये सब ना क्योंकि 1/5 बोल रहे हैं, हाँ? तो इसका न्यू रेशियो क्या होगा इनटू अर्लियर वन 5/3 ना 5:3 ना, तो 5/8 ले लो।
ये इसका 3 है ना इसका 3
5:3 हाँ
3 में होगा ना इसका
हाँ वही का एक्स का शेयर कितना होगा न्यू?
एक्स का तो निकाला है, इसका तो 1/8 आया, वो ठीक है। वाई का 3/8
X का
माइनस 3/8 into 4/5
एक्स का 1/8 सैक्रिफाइस किस लिए होगा? नॉट ये न्यू शेयर में बोल रहा हूँ। Don't get confused with sacrificing the new share. हाँ? This is the new share. ये बोथ कैंसिल होगा तो कितना होगा? 1/2. This is the new share.
मैं sacrifice करूंगा।
ये सैक्रिफाइसिंग है, ठीक है? क्लियर? वाई का न्यू रेशियो कितना होगा? 4/5 into 3/8. This is the new ratio. Old minus new sacrificing होगा, ठीक है? हाँ. Now check the sum once. चल गुडविल का हम कितना कल कैलकुलेट किया था? What is the amount of goodwill yesterday which we have calculated?
12,000
12,000 ना? हाँ? So 12,000 goodwill है. Share of this particular Z. Share of Z. Total goodwill कितना है? 60,000. Share of Z कितना है? 12,000. 12,000 क्या करना है? Existing partner शेयर करना है. Yes or no? Yes. 12,000. Sacrificing ratio कितना है? 10:6 or 5:3? 5:3 is nothing but the earlier ratio. Clear ना? So 12,000 5:3 में divide करो. 12,000 5:3. 7,000 and 4,500. 4,500. Checking the current account. By Z current account 7,500, 4,500. Clear, sir? Existing partners are taking the benefit. Debit side में देखो, Z capital account में 12,000 debit हुआ, 7,500 plus 4,500. Indirectly Z is bearing the goodwill amount. Sir, he is not getting something premium from goodwill. He is not getting the amount, but indirectly we are taking from his current account. Clear? Indirectly? Yes. General reserve. What was the amount? 60,000. What I said for general reserve, you have to distribute it in the old ratio by old partners, because this is the hard-earned money of who? Existing partners. Yes or no? Huh? But sir, check here once. They have credited the general reserve and they have debited the general reserve. checking the balance sheet also, new balance sheet. General reserve account is still there in the new form. Yes. Here, sir, what they are doing? Existing general reserve they are distributed in 5:3. 60,000 5:3 कितना है अमाउंट देखो. Yes, sir, they have credited till now this time, but they have reversed it again. Sir, reversed to all the partners, not only the old partners. Are you checking? Sir, indirectly क्या हो रहा है? 37,500 credit, 30,000 debit. What is the net amount? 7,500 credit. Following me? In the current account. Account XYZ. Here they have taken how much amount? 37,500. Y का कितना है? 22,500. Here 30,000, 18,000, 12,000. सर नेट क्रेडिट कितना हुआ है? 7,500. क्लियर? सर हियर नेट क्रेडिट कितना हुआ? 4,500. यस और नो? सर इसका नेट डेबिट कितना हुआ है? जेड का नेट डेबिट कितना हुआ? 12,000. सर इनडायरेक्टली दैट टेकिंग द बेनिफिट ऑफ 12,000 रुपीज. General reserve still continues to be in the books of the new firm. Yes. This is a treatment as per book, but I recommend you to take the general reserve in the, share the general reserve by the old partners and do not take it in the new firm. Clear? लिखा है क्या? कहाँ है? Oh. Partners decide to maintain the general reserve. They are dividing the sum. That's why they have taken. Normally you should not take. Clear? Sir, they have mentioned in the sum to maintain the general reserve. But will the old partners agree to continue this? Huh? So they are taking the indirect benefit. Clear? By adjusting the capital accounts. Clear? Clear? I did not see this point. General reserve. I thought the treatment in the book is wrong. Okay? Why they have credited and then reversed it immediately? Clear? हाँ. Sir, revaluation profit कितना आया था? 8,000. 5,000 5:3. 5,000 3,000. Yes. So checking the capital account. Sorry, current account 5,000 3,000. Yes. Yes, sir. Now what are the entries here? 30,000, 18,000, 12,000, 37, 25 here. X, Y, Z. This is the current account, debit side. X, Y, Z. Sir, what is the opening balance of the current account? 5,000, 6,000. Yes. Sir, revaluation profit कितना है? 5,000, 3,000. Yes. Share of goodwill कितना है? 7,500, 4,500. Clear till now? Sir, general reserve they have distributed first. and then they have immediately reversed 30,000, 18,000, 12,000. Yes, sir, this is in the new profit sharing ratio, this is in the old profit sharing ratio. Yes, clear? Indirectly they are getting the benefit of the general reserve. Yes, here they have goodwill share they have taken from Z. This total amount is 12,000. Yes or no? Yes or no? Clear till now? All the entries. This is on the debit side. This is the credit side. Clear with the entries till now? सर अभी हमको क्लोजिंग कैपिटल पता है टू बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन. सर क्लोजिंग कैपिटल कितना है सर? सर व्हाट इज द क्लोजिंग कैपिटल? सर 4 लाख है टोटल. 80,000 शेयर है किसका? Z. Yes. Read this point once. The capital accounts are to be proportionally adjusted on the basis of Z's capital and his share of profit through current accounts. So we have discussed this yesterday. Closing capital adjustments. So there you have to maintain specific ratio with respect to the closing capital of the new firm. When the business is starting after admission, they are giving you the specific ratio at which the capital should start. Clear? Clear? Here it is nothing but profit sharing ratio. Yes? So what is the new ratio, sir? 5:3:2. Yes or no? Sir, 4 lakhs is for 4 lakhs is the total capital amount. Yes? एक्सेस शेयर कितना है? हमने कैलकुलेट किया ऑलरेडी 2 lakhs. Yes or no? सर ऑलरेडी कैपिटल अकाउंट कुछ अमाउंट पड़ा है कितना? दिस इज फिक्स्ड कैपिटल मतलब और फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल मतलब फिक्स्ड. यस और नो? तो ऑलरेडी कैपिटल अकाउंट में कितना अमाउंट है? 80,000. देखो बैलेंस शीट में देखो 80,000 है. यस, out of 2 lakhs 80,000 is already fixed. Yes or no? So the current account balance should be how much? Sir, 1,20,000 should be. Yes or no? Following, sir? B's closing capital is how much, sir? 1,20,000. Yes or no? Sir, capital account already कितना है? 60,000. बैलेंस कितना है सर? 60,000. Z's closing capital कितना है सर? Z's capital कितना है? Z's capital 80,000. ऑलरेडी कैपिटल अकाउंट कितना जाएगा? 80. सर 80 माइनस 80 जीरो रहेगा इधर. क्लियर? We are following fixed capital method, not fluctuating. Yes or no? We have discussed yesterday fixed capital method. So capital will remain the same. Any adjustments we have to route it through the current account. Clear? Clear? So now we have this already in the sum they have mentioned. They have given us the clue to find these closing balances. Clear? Clear? Now balance the capital accounts. Sorry, current accounts. This is current accounts, not capital accounts. Now balance the current accounts. Balance the current accounts. Balance on debit or credit side? Huh? Debit is more, right? Debit is more. 1,50,000 minus all these amounts. कितना है? 95,000. Sir, what is this amount? Cash brought in by X. This is balancing figure. Yes or no? Sir, to make the opening capitals of the new firm in the profit sharing ratio, X has to bring this additional amount. Clear? 95,000. Similarly, Y balance 42,000. Z balance? Huh? 24,000. Clear? Clear? Now the new balance sheet. You have to draft the new balance sheet also. Go to the new balance sheet once. Sir, clear here? This is the main important adjustment. Sir, they have given us the clue of what should be the closing capital balances. Sir, it has to be 2 lakhs, 1 lakh 20, 80,000. Sir, already fixed capital, already we have the amount. So, in the current account will be the balance, yes or no? So, total मिला के ये capital बोलते हैं, yes. So, 2 lakhs से already 80 है उधर. तो 1 lakh 20 current account में balance रखना है, yes. इधर 60 रखना है, इधर कुछ नहीं रखना है क्योंकि 80 already उधर है, yes. Here in the sum they have mentioned that Z is not bringing any amount other than 80,000. But in this, by this 24,000 he has to bring additional. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Here in the sum they have considered cash brought in by Z additional 24,000. Okay. But you can also take it as debit balance of current account. He might not bring it right now. He will bring it later on. Okay. All the current accounts will have credit balance, but Z's will have debit balance. So, due to this, Z's current account will reflect in which side of the balance sheet? Asset side. Clear? You can do that. You can take in that manner also. But in the sum, they have taken as cash brought in by Z, which I feel is not correct because they have clearly mentioned that. What they have mentioned? Read that line. Kashyap, read that line. Not that line. The real line. But does not contribute anything. वो पॉइंट लिखा है ना इधर towards goodwill. In this 24,000 there is goodwill also. Yes or no? Here 24,000 there is goodwill also. This amount is goodwill, yes or no? Question it was mentioned that he is not contributing anything for goodwill. But in the answer they have taken cash brought in by Z. This is contrary, right? So that's why I am telling you can take it as current account debit balance to be recovered. And then you can show in the asset side. This is one approach. Second approach you can take as followed by some cash brought in by Z. Clear, sir? Clear? Now bank account. They are asking you to grab the bank account. So what is the opening bank balance? Check in the balance sheet. What is the opening bank balance? 30,000. Yes? Sir, Z कितना लेके आया था cash? 80,000. Very good. As per sum he has brought in 24,000 additional. Yes? So 80 plus 24 कितना है? 1,04,000. That is one amount. Y कितना लेके आया था? सॉरी x z हो गया. अभी x कितना लेके आया है? Here देखो here x कितना लेके आया है? Not 1,20,000, 95,000. 1,20,000 कैसे होगा? बुक में गलती दिया है, करेक्शन करो उसको. सर 1,20,000 कैसे आएगा? गलती ना? हाँ? in the answer there is printing mistake. Okay, 2z capital 80 plus 24,000, take it as 80 plus 24,000. What is the amount? 1,04,000. Sir, x capital he is bringing 95,000, not 1,20,000. In the book it was given wrong. Clear? Sir, y कितना ला रहा है? हाँ? 42,000. Very good. टोटल डेबिट बैलेंस कितना है? मतलब क्लोजिंग बैलेंस देखो, बैंक बैलेंस 30 प्लस 1,05,000 प्लस 95 प्लस 42 कितना है? This sum has more printing mistakes, huh? That's why. कितना बैलेंस है? 30 plus 1,04,000 plus 95,000 plus 42,000. What is the amount? Yes, very good. 2,71,000 is the closing bank balance. Clear? Clear na? Sir, in the question it was, in the answer it was given wrong. Sir, 1,20,000 कैसे लेके आएगा? Cash. Closing capital is 1,20,000. If he is getting 1,20,000, his balance will get increased, na? We have seen the balance, na? He is getting only 95,000. Clear? Clear? Now come to balance sheet. बैंक बैलेंस कितना होगा? 2,71,000, not 2,90,000. उसको काट लो. Yes. डेटर्स बैलेंस कितना है? 60,000 कैसे आया? बैलेंस शीट से सीधा, ठीक है? डेटर्स में कुछ रिवैल्यूएशन नहीं है, यस और नो? रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट में कुछ डेटर्स का कुछ है क्या? नहीं ना? नहीं है ना? वैल्यूएशन नहीं है डेटर्स का कुछ भी. तो डेटर्स का अमाउंट कितना है? 60,000. We'll go one by one in the asset side. Check first the plant and machinery. Plant and machinery 50,000 है ओरिजिनल में, लेकिन वैल्यू कितना कर रहा है? 46,000. So in the new form 46,000 will be the new value. yes or no? हाँ. उसके बाद इन्वेस्टमेंट्स 31,000 है. सर उसका कुछ वैल्यूएशन नहीं है ना, so same 31,000 बैलेंस शीट में जाएगा. क्लियर? हाँ. सन्ड्री डेटर्स अभी 60,000 है, इसका कुछ वैल्यूएशन नहीं है, सेम 60,000 जाएगा. यस सर. स्टॉक इन ट्रेड का कुछ है? 96,000. सर बैलेंस शीट में 90 है, लेकिन रीवैल्यू कर रहा है. मोहित आई एम टेलिंग यू, रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट मतलब to find out secret profit or loss while admitting any new partner, you revalue all the assets and liabilities. We have discussed this yesterday. I am giving you the background. So that's why in the sum they are mentioning only specific assets are being revalued. All they will revalue, but only certain assets are impacted. Clear? हाँ. स्टॉक इन ट्रेड कितना होगा? 96,000. बैंक बैलेंस कितना है? हमने देखा ऑलरेडी 2,71,000. यस. Assets are done. Assets are done. Now they can take this as Z's current account. Okay. This is one approach, but we have considered that 24,000 has been brought by Z. That's why we have added in the bank balance. Yes or no? So this Z's current account you just write off. Okay. Clear? Either you can take in the bank balance. I am clearly explaining you. Sir, this is up to you. You have to draft a note and you have to take it. I am explaining two approaches. Sir, opening bank balance is 30,000. Yes. Yes. Sir, Z brought only 80,000. Yes or no? Yes or no? If you take in the balance sheet, this is liability side, this is asset side. Yes. Sir, if normally capital account comes on the liability side, yes or no? Sir, if you take that 24,000 as debit balance in the current account, you will show that 25,000 here. Yes. Yes. Then you should not add 24,000 here. Yes or no? Yes or no? देन एक्स ब्रॉट इन कितना 95,000, वाई ब्रॉट इन हाउ मच 42,000 ना. व्हाट इज द टोटल बैलेंस हियर? 30, 80, 95, 42. 2,47. Asset side bank balance 2,47,000. Clear? If you take Z's current account here in the asset side, then do you have any problem, any doubt here? Yes. करंट अकाउंट डेबिट बैलेंस दिखेगा ना. करंट अकाउंट कौन सा बैलेंस दिख रहा है पहले इधर देखो सर. अगर कैश नहीं लेके आएगा तो बैलेंसिंग फिगर किस तरफ है? इस तरफ है. कैसा? डेबिट इज मोर. नॉर्मली करंट अकाउंट कौन सा बैलेंस रहेगा? क्रेडिट बैलेंस. ऐसा ना ये डेबिट बैलेंस रहेगा. डेबिट बैलेंस रहेगा तो एसेट साइड रहेगा. ऐसा ना following me na? Clear this point? So there are two here they are following. I mean they are taking cash in the current account and they are showing current account in the debit side. That is wrong. Following me? Following me? If you take bank balance, closing bank balance is 2,47,000, you have to take current account on the debit side. Suppose if you are adding 24,000 here balance would be 2,71,000. Here balance would be 2,71,000. This would not be there in the debit side. Clear na? Clear? Now come to liability side. Sir capital कितना है total? 2 lakhs. Yes, 2 lakhs, 1 lakh 20, 8 lakhs. Nothing but 4 lakhs. Sir current accounts they have given current accounts again. This is wrong. You have to strike the current account. Because this 2 lakhs include 80 plus 1 lakh 20. This 1 lakh 20 includes 60 plus 60 plus 60. Z's capital account includes 80. 80 plus 0 basically. Current account दोबारा दे दिया, ये गलती है. तो उसको स्ट्राइक करो. 25,000, 18,000 को स्ट्राइक करो. जनरल रिजर्व कितना है? 60,000 because they have decided to maintain. Sundry creditors कितना है? 40. कितना है? 50. One creditor is dead ना. So 50 minus 6,000 कितना है? 44,000. सर टोटल बैलेंस कितना है सर देख लीजिए. फाइव लाख 4,000. सर बहुत टैली हुआ है ना बैलेंस शीट? टैली हुआ कि नहीं सर? बैलेंस शीट टैली हुआ है ना? देख लीजिए एक बार. इस सम में बहुत सारे एडजस्टमेंट्स है. हमारा अगर आप नोटिस करें. हाँ बोलो. देखिए one creditor is dead. Income or liability? Income or loss? Creditor dead ना. Debtor dead है तो loss है. Creditor dead है तो आप पेमेंट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Income. तो हमने डिस्कस किया था 80,000 उसको शेयर किया. ठीक है. हाँ उल्टा नहीं. ये तो इनकम और लॉसेस देखना पड़ेगा. ये इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट सिमिलर टू क्या है? ट्रेडिंग पेड अकाउंट और नॉमिनल अकाउंट. So all expenses here, all losses here, all incomes here, all gains here. So credited है तो gain है. समझ गए? ठीक है. क्लियर सर? सर what are all the important adjustments? Tell me one by one. adjustments, important adjustments. General reserve एक point है, very good, because they are telling that you should maintain in the new books. Yes or no? Partners decide to maintain the general reserve in the books of the firm. They decided not to share. So, but indirectly जो जनरल रिजर्व शेयर है एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा थ्रू कैपिटल अकाउंट्स. दिस इज वन इंपॉर्टेंट एडजस्टमेंट. लिखो पॉइंट नंबर 1, जनरल रिजर्व एडजस्टमेंट. तो कैसे करेगा सर? इफेक्ट कैसे करेगा? ओल्ड जनरल रिजर्व विल बी शेयर्ड by the old partners in the old ratio and then reversed by all the partners in the new ratio. Indirectly, net effect is existing partners will get the benefit of proportionate share of the Z. Clear? This is the first important adjustment. Sir, second adjustment क्या है? Very good. Capital accounts proportionately adjust करना है. Closing capital. So this is the very important adjustment. सर कैसे है? सर 1/5 के लिए 80,000 है. सर बाकी कैपिटल 4/5 के लिए कितना है? 3,20,000. सर टोटल फर्म का कैपिटल कितना? 4 लाख है. सर न्यू रेशियो कितना है? न्यू रेशियो कितना है? 5:3:2. सर एक्सिस्टेंट कितना होगा? 2 लाख. वाइशेयर कितना होगा? 1,20,000. यस और नो? सर क्लोजिंग कैपिटल आ गया था, अभी बैलेंसिंग फिगर क्या होगा? वो लोग कैश लेके आएगा फर्म में. Clear? Sir, understanding the flow? This is the second important adjustment. Third one, do you have any third one? No, rest all are very easy. Clear, sir? Sir, any doubt in this sum? Here you have to maintain note also for this. Third point, give this note. Sir, debit balance in the current account. Assume cash brought in by the new partner. Clear na? Actually, this is contrary. I agree, but in the sum they have taken. I request you to take, no problem. Don't take 25,000 as cash brought in by Z. Take it as debit balance current account. Balance sheet will still carry. Sir, how? Here I am not taking 24,000 indirectly. Indirectly my bank balance will get reduced. Yes or no? Sir, ये bank balance gets reduced. Yes. To that extent, another assets will come here. Sir, both मिला के 2,71,000 ही होगा. Clear sir? दोनों मिला के 2,71,000 ही होगा. Either you take 2,71,000 minus 24,000. Yes? Yes sir? You can take it anyway. Third one is that one. Note for debit balance of current account of Z. 3 important points. Clear sir? Clear? Can I continue? सर 1 होमवर्क दिया था, 2 मैंने बताया था, 3 होमवर्क दिया है, 4 मैंने बताया है. ऐसा 5 भी अभी बताया. Sir, 6, 7, 8 take for homework. 6, 7, 8 take for homework. Sir, I will just explain you the questions of 6, 7, 8. Okay? 6th sir question. So what's your name? Sandeep sir. Read question number 6. Fast.
The balance sheet of the firm as of 31st March 2022 was liabilities. Capital sum 50,000. Loan 41,000. Loan sum 5,000. General reserve 5,000.
Sir, ये partners are moon and sun. I can see sun moon. तो sun moon है तो ये planets है ना. कोई नया partner कोई दूसरा planet होगा. ठीक है very good. Sir, here in the liability sir I can see general reserve. Sir, you can see general reserve. In the liability sir, what we have to do with the general reserve? Distribute. If nothing is specified in the sum, let us see.
Sundry creditors 16,000.
Okay.
Outstanding expenses
1,500. Okay, very good.
property 35,000,
Okay.
motor car 7,500,
Okay.
furniture 1,000,
Okay.
debtors 25,000,
Okay.
stock 45,000,
Okay.
cash 4,000.
There is no bank balance here. Asset side there is no another asset. What is that? Goodwill. सर goodwill नहीं है asset side. Goodwill होगा तो क्या होगा? Write off करना है. General reserve होगा तो write off करना है. Direct to capital account. Clear? You both have to see this. Asset side में goodwill हमेशा देखना है कि नहीं. सर liability side में general reserve है, जो भी reserve है देखना है. Sir why? Sir this is the asset earned by the old capital. Sir when new partner is getting admitted, he will get this benefit. So you old partners generally check this and they will get write off among themselves. Clear sir? Now read the next point.
The profit sharing ratio between Sun and Moon was 3:2.
3:2.
They decided to admit Pluto
Sir Pluto है new. Sun, Moon, Pluto.
as a new partner from
1st of April.
2022 on the following terms and conditions. 1. Property and motor car will be revalued at 45,000 and 6,500 respectively.
Sir property कितना है amount? 35,000 बैलेंस शीट में. Sir 45,000 रिवैल्यू कर रहा है. Sir गेन है लॉस है? गेन. Sir रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड में जाएगा. ऐसा ना? सिमिलरली मोटर कार लॉस है. रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट डेबिट में जाएगा. क्लियर सर? 5% प्रोविजन टू बी क्रिएटेड ऑन डेटर्स. लॉस है डेबिट है? लॉस है गेन है? लॉस है. सर डेटर्स पे तो प्रोविजन होने से इनडायरेक्टली डाउटफुल है वो. यस ना? सर बैलेंस शीट में प्रोविजन नहीं है, अभी नया प्रोविजन लेके आ रहे हैं इसीलिए लॉस है. समझ गए? अगर सर बैलेंस शीट में प्रोविजन है, सोच लो डेटर्स का अभी कितना है अमाउंट? 25,000. 5% कितना है सर? कितना है सर? 5% कितना होगा सर? सर शुड नॉट कैलकुलेट. 2,500 में हाफ कितना है? 1250. सर 1250 प्रोविजन लेना है. सोच लो अगर ऑलरेडी प्रोविजन 1000 है, अगर बैलेंस शीट में ऑलरेडी प्रोविजन 1000 है तो क्या होगा? एडिशनली 250 लेगा. तो एडिशनल लॉस विल बी 250 ओनली. क्लियर ना? सेकंड पॉइंट इज
Pluto should pay premium for goodwill to be valued at 2 years purchase of last 3 years average profit.
सर व्हाट इज दिस मेथड हियर? एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड से गुडविल फाइंड आउट करना है. सर एवरेज लास्ट ईयर्स का कितना एवरेज लेना है? 3 इयर्स. समझ गया? 3 इयर्स लेना. सर 2 इयर्स परचेज. व्हाट इज दिस 2 इयर्स परचेज? सर व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय नंबर ऑफ इयर्स परचेज? Sir, number of years that super profit can be maintained in future. We have discussed yesterday. Number of years purchase is nothing but, sir, due to goodwill, super profit. Sir, by goodwill, normally firms earn what? Super profit, not normal profit. Yes or no? Yes or no? So that super profit can be maintained for how many years? It is the 2 years only. 2 years only. Yes?
Such amount of premium was to be credited to old partners loan account.
Sir, premium was to be credited to old partners loan accounts. बोल रहे सर. Point you to be noted. This point is very important. We will discuss this. Next one sir. सर indirectly goodwill find out करना है, share find out करना है. सर कैपिटल अकाउंट को क्रेडिट नहीं करना है, लोन अकाउंट को करना है. समझ गए?
Pluto should pay 37,500 as capital.
कैपिटल कितना ला रहा है? 37,500. न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयर रेशियो दे आर ऑलरेडी गिविंग 2:1. सर ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयर रेशियो कितना है? 3:2. सर न्यू कितना है? 2:1. यू कैन फाइंड सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो. यस sir, old ratio minus new ratio is nothing but sacrificing ratio. Very easy here. Now
last 3 years profit were 5,000, 6,000 and 7,000.
Sir, why they are giving this 3 years profit? To find out goodwill. Sir, अगर सम इधर तक दिया है तो very easy sir. But go ahead.
The last 3 years booked Books of accounts on verification disclose the following discrepancies.
सर डिस्क्रिपेंसीज ऑब्जर्व हुआ है, तो मतलब क्या है, ऊपर जो प्रॉफिट दिया है वो करेक्ट नहीं है, समझ गए सर? डिस्क्रिपेंसीज क्या है, अकाउंटिंग गलती की है, समझ गए? अकाउंटिंग गलती की है सर, ऊपर जो प्रॉफिट्स है वो ठीक नहीं है, तो यू हैव टू एडजस्ट द प्रॉफिट्स एंड फाइंड द करेक्ट प्रॉफिट of last 3 years. Sir, this is again a big task. So in this sum, the main point is finding the goodwill amount is main. Yes, I'll explain this adjustments, just the adjustments. Rest you do it, you check in the sum, or you try on your own. You will get it. Okay. I'll just explain this adjusted process, because this is a bit complicated. I'll explain this. Read.
Yeah, 1920. That date previously written off recovered 400 rupees.
Sir, 2019-20. Yes. 2020-21. 2021-22 na. Sir, what is the original profit they have given? 5,000, 6,000, 7,500. Sir, now read one by one.
Bad debts previously written off recovered 400 rupees.
Sir, bad debts was written off earlier. Now they have recovered this 400. Yes. Sir, 400 bad debts has been written off. In the sense, P&L को डेबिट किया है, ऐसा ना? प्रॉफिट कम किया है, ऐसा ना? सर अभी रिकवरी हुआ, प्रॉफिट बढ़ेगा, ऐसा ना? ऐसा ना? Add 400. Sir, understanding? Then next one, credited to debtors account. Recovered was credited to debtors account. That is wrong treatment. You have to credit it to the P&L account, because earlier it was written off in the P&L. So suppose if you are recovering it now, you have to credit in the P&L only, not debtors. Debtors is not impacted anyway. That's why I have added the profit. Increase the profit, sir. Clear? Next one.
Closing stock undervalued by 1,200.
Sir, closing stock undervalue हुआ है. Sir, closing stock comes where? Credit or debit? In the trading account. Credit side. Sir, credit is nothing but similar to sales ना. Sir, credit कुछ बढ़ेगा तो profit बढ़ेगा, yes or no? Credit कम होगा तो profit कम हो जाएगा. Sir, इधर देख, what they did? अंडरवैल्यू किया, nothing but प्रॉफिट कम किया है, सर फॉलोइंग मी? प्रॉफिट क्या किया वो लोग? कम किया. सर आई हैव टू एड इट नाउ. कितना है सर? हियर, नॉट हियर. 1,250. yes sir. Sir, here it is closing stock, next year it is opening stock. सर डेबिट अंडरवैल्यू हुआ है, डेबिट अंडरवैल्यू हुआ तो प्रॉफिट बढ़ गया होगा, अभी कम करना पड़ेगा. वेरी गुड. माइनस. Here sir, following me. Sir, here it is closing stock. In the next year it is opening stock. Sir, डेबिट कम हुआ है, डेबिट कम हुआ है, nothing but प्रॉफिट बढ़ गया है. In this year प्रॉफिट बढ़ गया है, so I have to reduce the profit. Sir, clear? Next.
2021 furniture purchase 300 debited to purchases account.
Sir, फर्नीचर परचेज तो क्या होगा? एसेट होगा. सर परचेजेस को डेबिट किया है, डायरेक्टली प्रॉफिट कम हो गया, ऐसा ना? प्रॉफिट कम हो गया, ऐसा. आई हैव टू एड इट 300. क्लियर सर? देन
Depreciation was provided at the rate 10% on reducing balance method. The closing stock was overvalued by 2,000.
Sir, this was debited to which account? Purchase account. So indirectly they have not calculated depreciation, yes or no? So you have to calculate depreciation now, yes or no? Sir, 300 में 10% कितना है? 300 में 10%, 30 rupees ना? Sir, this is depreciation. Clear sir? Clear? Following me? Sir, closing stock was overvalued. Sir, closing stock overvalue हुआ क्या था? प्रॉफिट बढ़ गया होगा. I have to reduce this. कितना है 2000 सर हियर क्लोजिंग स्टॉक है हियर क्या होगा ओपनिंग स्टॉक होगा प्लस 2000 होगा क्लियर सर क्लियर एडजस्टमेंट देन
21-22
हाँ
a purchase invoice of 1000 was omitted from the books
सर परचेजेस ओमिट किया है सर परचेजेस अगर ओमिट नहीं किया तो डेबिट होगा परचेज अकाउंट में करेक्ट सर ओमिट किया तो क्या हो गया डेबिट कुछ नहीं है ट्रेडिंग में यस परचेजेस मिस हो गया यस तो प्रॉफिट बढ़ गया होगा अभी कम करना पड़ेगा यस परचेजेस कितना है प्लस 1000 सॉरी नहीं परचेजेस इनवॉइस ऑफ 1000 वाज ओमिटेड फ्रॉम द बुक्स हाँ प्रॉफिट कम माइनस होगा देन क्लोजिंग स्टॉक वाज
undervalued by
अंडरवैल्यूड बाय अंडरवैल्यू हुआ है तो प्रॉफिट कम हो गया होगा ऐड करना पड़ेगा यस प्लस 1000 सर क्लियर सर विद दिस सर एनी डाउट क्वेश्चन मार्क पे इसको लग रहा है पहले एडजस्टमेंट कुछ डाउट है क्या एडजस्टमेंट वन से देखिए रीएडजस्टमेंट अगर फीलिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम आई एडजस्टमेंट वन से सर अंडरस्टैंड द ट्रांजैक्शन वंस अगर ट्रेडिंग पीएनएल अकाउंट इफेक्ट होगा वो पर्टिकुलर अकाउंट तब क्या हुआ है इफेक्ट इमेजिन करना समझ गए ना अब देखो टोटल अभी इसका आंसर में आ जाए ठीक है ये देखो सर 5000 plus 400 plus 1250 6000 minus 1250 plus 300 minus 30 minus 2000 7500 minus plus 2000 minus 1000 plus 1000 clear na clear sir the adjusted profit you will get adjusted profit yes checking the sum 6650 3020 9500 yes divided by 3 sir this is the average into 2 sir this is number of years purchase goodwill amount is how much 1270 clear sir this is important adjustment check this और सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज द लोन में जाएगा ना गुडविल शेयर कितना है टोटल सर 3195 है ये सर 3195 शेयर होगा तो लोन में जाएगा एक बार न्यू बैलेंस शीट में देखो लोन सन अकाउंट 6278 मून अकाउंट 1917 दिस इज नथिंग बट गुडविल शेयर क्लियर सर लोन सन हां clear na sir seventh sum is very easy take it for homework you can try on your own sir eighth sum can you quickly read eighth sum once sir A and B are partners old ratio 2:1 okay जनरल रिजर्व है बुक्स में yes or no रिजर्व्स है 5,25,000 yes or no you have to adjust this reserve first point assets में goodwill नहीं है okay sir they admit P and Q both two partners are trading admitted at the same time yes sir goodwill के लिए क्या दिया है 2 years purchase of weighted average profit sir not average profit weighted average profit sir what do you mean by weighted average sir goodwill gets increased day by day yes or no है sir recent year has more weightage than earlier years yes or no sir go to the answer once calculation of goodwill weighted average you can see recent year has been given 3 weight clear sir recent what is the recent year 2022 yes or no recent year has been given weightage 3 because goodwill increases day by day yes or no so recent year profit will have more weightage clear sir logic clear होगा clear है sir you should not take 1 2 3 from पीछे से नहीं लेना 1 2 3 from above because recent year will have more goodwill clear sir clear ना weighted average rest of the same rest is very easy 1 2 3 calculate weighted profit divided by weight again 6 you will get the profit 2 years purchase you get point number 6.
Point number 6. The value of reserve, the values of liability, and the values of assets other than cash were not to be altered.
Sir, not to be altered बोल रहे सभी में. सिविल अर्लियर एग्जाम्पल में क्या बोला, जनरल रिजर्व अल्टर नहीं करना है. अभी क्या बोल रहे, सब अल्टर नहीं करना है. सर फिर रिवैल्यूएशन करके क्या करेगा? अगर अल्टर नहीं करेगा, सर अर्लियर सब में हमने देखा सर रिवैल्यूएशन हो गया, स्टॉक वैल्यू 90 से 96 हो गया, 96 से 90 या 90 से 96 कितना हुआ? 90 से सर न्यू बैलेंस शीट में 96 लिए है. सर ये बोल रहे हैं अल्टर नहीं करना है, सेम रखना है उधर. समझ गया सर? सेम रखने से इफेक्ट कैसे होगा? सर दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज कॉल्ड मेमोरेंडम रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. सर व्हाट इज दिस मेमोरेंडम रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट? सर they will take the book values of the old firm as it is into the new firm, but the secret profit or loss they will adjust using the capital accounts. Clear? Sir, how will they adjust? Can you see this memorandum revaluation account once? Sir, losses है डेबिट किया सब, हाँ? सर गेन से है क्रेडिट किया, ओके? सर रिवैल्यूएशन प्रॉफिट ओल्ड पार्टनर्स में शेयर किया, यस? सर इमीडिएटली नीचे क्या किया? रिवर्स कर दिया, यस और नो? सर इमीडिएटली रिवर्स कर दिया. सर बिटवीन न्यू पार्टनर्स इन न्यू रेशियो. समझ गया सर? ऑलरेडी स्टॉक वैल्यू बढ़ा दिया और घटा दिया, एग्जैक्टली. सर स्टॉक वैल्यू रिमेंस द सेम, यस? सर रिवैल्यूएशन प्रॉफिट पहले ओल्ड पार्टनर्स को किया, अभी न्यू पार्टनर्स को किया जाए. सर नेट क्या होगा? नेट इफेक्ट देखो क्या हो रहा है. ये को नेट कितना मिल रहा है? 14 minus 9 कितना है? 5000. Sir, he is getting benefit of 5000 indirectly. Yes or no? Book value remains the same, but they are taking this effect from capital accounts. Following me, sir? Sir, this is called memorandum revaluation method. Clear? Normal revaluation, you take the profit, you take the revised values in the balance sheet. Memorandum revaluation, you take the revaluation, you adjust the profit, you reverse the profit, and then take original values as it is to the new firm. Yes? Net effect is the same. Yes or no? New partners account debit होगा, old partners credit होगा. This is capital adjustment. Clear sir? Rest of the sum is very easy. Take it from home. Try it at home. If you are facing any problem, we will discuss it. That particular adjustment. Clear sir? Sir, now in case of admission, we have seen goodwill adjustments, goodwill different methods, average, weighted average, yes or no? Huh? Then we have seen this general reserve treatment. Sir, books में रखना है, नहीं रखना है, yes or no? Capital adjustments we have seen. Capital closing capital should be in the profit sharing ratio. For that, all the partners have to bring some cash or withdraw some cash. Yes, this is capital adjustment. We have seen all this. Yes, sir. Clear. The memorandum revaluation we have seen today. Memorandum revaluation. Sir, difference between revaluation and memorandum revaluation. What is the difference? Memorandum revaluation and revaluation. Sir, revaluation में revised values will go to the new form of the balance sheet. Yes, revised values will go to the new balance sheet of the firm. But in memorandum revaluation, same values go to the balance sheet of the new firm. Net effect is adjusted through capital accounts in case of memorandum revaluation. Clear? Sir, this difference is very important because in exam they might ask you to do revaluation or memorandum revaluation. Clear? We are done with admission. Now we will see retirement. Okay? एडमिशन में कुछ डाउट्स होने से सब समझ देख लीजिए अच्छे से. कुछ भी पॉइंट डाउट होगा हम डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है?